Take a look at the manual. You'll see that in the manual there's a picture of this in here, and you'll see that this part has flats on it. There. There. And what you want to do is align it, have a look inside the machine and align it so that it fits onto those flats. So I can see, I've just had another look, I can see that actually it's going to have to go in like that, and then I'm going to turn it. Do you see how I had to turn it to get it into the right position? Now align that spring, the top, the bit that goes upright, should be at 12 o'clock or slightly to 11. I think that that is a pretty good position for it. And I'm now going to tighten this screw in position. But you need to make sure it does not foul the thread brake sensor. So checking that it doesn't foul the thread brake sensor, put it in as far as you can, and you will have to possibly adjust it so that it doesn't get caught on that thread brake sensor. And that is it.